Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. The most demanded beautiful design, low rise pattern in gold zari work. Here we have a beautiful color, dual tone. Blue is mixed with yellow to get a beautiful green shade here. You can see the yellow glow on the saree. Excellent one, glossy, beautiful finish. Finely hand woven, and we have a gold zari border, square shaped buttas that is done in floral pattern, and a number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. And we have a borderless concept in the saree, and also the pallu is very simple and elegant one with gold zari, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination, the color as well as the design is fantastic with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful launch, trendy collection, always demanded design, completely in single color. And here we have a dual tone, an excellent color here. Mustard yellow mixed with a lime green to get a beautiful shade of yellow, goldish, excellent shade. Mild green tinge is also there, and we have buttas that is in square shape, floral one, and the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. And it is a borderless concept. Complete saree is in single color, no contrast concept, and we have a beautiful pallu, very simple pallu in gold zari, and the plain blouse piece in the same. Excellent hand woven, very elegant saree, and a very beautiful color, rare color too, with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection, low rise, ever lovable pattern, trendy sarees. And exclusive colors here. Here we have a deep green color, deep forest green mixed with black to get a excellent darkish green shade. It's very beautiful. You can see the buttas. Buttas are very visible on this color. Gold zari, square shaped buttas. Done in a beautiful way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases to make a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Borderless concept, and we have a elegant pallu. Pallu is also very simple and beautiful gold zari worked pallu. And we have plain blouse piece. The combination of the buttas on the dark color is very beautiful. A hand woven, excellent dark shade saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful and trendy low rise pattern sarees on a very excellent color shade. Here we have yellow and light green mixed color. A very beautiful green we are getting with mild yellow tinge, and we have a golden zari worked beautiful butta design. Square shaped buttas, floral pattern done in an excellent way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Borderless concept, and you can see the same body color pallu. Very simple and elegant zari worked pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in the same color. Excellent handcrafted design, beautiful and demanded saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very elegant low rise pattern sarees, always demanded, beautiful design on an excellent color combination here. Dual tone, mustard yellow is mixed with light green, a parrot green to get a beautiful yellowish green color. Beautiful tone, the complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse piece is in same color with very elegant square shaped buttas in a floral pattern done using gold zari here, and it increases in numbers, weaved in a very beautiful way, and decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent borderless concept, finely weaved, beautiful texture. The pallu of the saree is also in same color with plain blouse piece and a very simple and beautiful pallu here. The pallu tassels are already made, a handcrafted beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise concept sarees done on excellent bright shade here. Yellow mixed with Fanta orange to get a beautiful shade. A bright shade it is. The complete saree, even the pallu and blouse piece are in same color. Very elegant, simple pallu design. And we have the buttas done using silver and golden zari, which gives a beautiful tone. And it is done in a square shape. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Elegant one, borderless concept. Very simple and very beautiful, elegant collection with same pallu color, body and pallu color blouse piece. Excellent creation with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise pattern sarees, always demanded beautiful design, elegant one with single color concept. Here we have a green shade The green is done using light fluorescent yellow mixed with green to get the excellent shade. So on green you can see a beautiful goldish yellow shade with very elegant square shaped buttas that is done very elegantly using the golden zari, and it increases in numbers and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. A fine borderless concept saree, very elegant weaving, and we have a beautiful simple pallu in same body color, and the pallu tassels are already made with plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent color, beautiful choice, a rare combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varpu, a very beautiful collection, low rise pattern, trendy, elegant collection in a beautiful dark brown shade, chocolate brown color, beautiful one, very dark in nature, and the buttas are very clear on this dark base color. You can see the beautiful design buttas, excellently handcrafted, copper and silver jari is mixed and used, which gives a beautiful shape to the butta design, and it is done in a pattern that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, and it forms a triangle when it is draped. Very elegant, classic collection here. And the pallu is also a very beautiful design, simple and elegant pallu. Same color, no contrast concept, completely in single color. And the blouse piece is also plain in same body color. Very elegant one, completely handcrafted with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varp. A very beautiful and trendy collection here. An excellent color combo. Here we have a sandal color saree, sandal half white. Very beautiful color, and we have a very different and contrast butta design that is done using neem jari concept. Silk threads, blue silk threads is mixed with gold jari to get a beautiful tone. Neem jari concept, glittery ones, that is done in a beautiful way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which forms a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent collection, and we have a beautiful pallu also. It's a simple and elegant pallu in gold jari work, completely in single color. The body, the pallu as well as the blouse piece are in single color. Completely handcrafted, beautiful sarees, a classic collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varp. A very beautiful collection, a trendy collection too. Low rise pattern in a single color. The complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in single color. And here we have a beautiful brown and maroon mixed color. Dark brown we can call, a coffee shade brown. Red and black is mixed to get this color. Very elegant one. The pallu is very simple yet very elegant. Diagonally zari worked pallu. Beautiful one. With buttas in a very different way. Weaved in a very different way. Square shapes, floral design buttas using gold jari, and it is done in a triangular pattern. It increases and then decreases and makes a triangle when it is draped. Beautiful one. Ever trendy, ever demanded design. Excellent color in same color. Pallu also given. A pallu color blouse piece. Very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varp. A very beautiful signature product. A beautiful low rise pattern and a very elegant golden zari work. And here we have a beautiful dark brown shade. Excellent dark brown it is. Beautiful color, and the buttas are really visible on this color. And here golden zari is used. The floral pattern buttas are weaved in square pattern, and it is weaved in a very beautiful way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle. All over the saree the triangle comes, and you can see the very beautiful borderless pattern as well. The complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse pieces in the same color with very beautiful and simple pallu. The pallu tassels are also excellently done. You can see the colors, excellent one, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varp. Beautiful signature product of ours. A trendy, ever beautiful design, classy design too, completely in single color. And here we have a very light and pastel shade color, a turquoise green shade, beautiful golden glow. The saree here having a golden zari buttas also. Floral buttas that is done in a square shape, and the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent one. It's a borderless concept, and the color of the saree is a shuttle, very light turquoise green shade, and we have very simple pallu as well using golden zari and plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are very beautifully pre-finished. Excellent saree, completely hand woven, a classic collection with authentic silk mark. Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku, the most trended, always beautiful. Our signature product, low rise pattern sarees here in a single color. The complete saree is in beautiful deep pink shade, a very beautiful pink it is. Excellent shade and always lovable, elegant, girly color. And we have buttas done using golden zari, that is in a floral pattern, and it increases in numbers and then decreases, and which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. A finely weaved beautiful hand woven saree, and we have a simple pallu which is also done using golden zari and same color, body color. The pallu as well as blouse piece are on body color only, and with the already pre-finished tassels. Very elegant color. The saree work and the color is simply superb, and classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double varku. A borderless and always trending beautiful design in a pastel color shade. The complete saree is peach here, light and beautiful pastel peach color with very elegant buttas. The buttas are done using golden zari. Floral pattern that is done in a square shape, and the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. And the same way the pattern increase and decrease happens all over the saree. You can see the beautiful borderless concept as well, and the same color pallu. Pallu is also a shuttle, beautiful design, a diagonal, simple pallu with very elegant tassels are already made, and we have same color running blouse piece. Excellent saree in a pastel shade for the pastel lovers, completely handmade with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a very beautiful collection, low rise pattern, fast moving, beautiful collection in an excellent color combo, real tone color, red mixed with pink to get a very beautiful pink shade. Very elegant one with gold zari buttas, floral pattern butta in a square shape that is done in a beautiful way, that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent color, borderless concept, complete saree in single color, even the pallu, and very simple and beautiful pallu here in gold zari, and we have plain blouse piece. The hand woven beautiful saree with authentic silk.